Welcome back to another exciting review of Yamaha RX100, second part, where we talk about the comfort and ergonomics, features and instrument ion and fuel efficiency. Comfort and ergonomics. The RX100 has always been known for its comfortable, upright riding position. The 2025 model continues this tradition with modern refinements. Low seat height. The seat height is kept low and accessible, making it easy for riders of all heights. Wide handlebars. Upright handlebars ensure relaxed shoulders and easy maneuverability. Seating. The long single-piece seat provides enough room for both rider and pillion, with comfortable cushioning for everyday use. Additional features. Electric start is standard, with optional kickstart for purists. A USB charging port, side stand engine cutoff, and engine kill switch enhance convenience. Features and instrumentation. While maintaining its retro appeal, the 2025 RX100 includes a thoughtful mix of analog and digital technology. Semi-digital instrument cluster features a large analog speedometer paired with a small digital display showing trip meters, fuel gauge, gear position, and clock. Lighting. All LED lighting ensures visibility and energy efficiency. Safety features. The motorcycle is equipped with a side stand engine cutoff and ABS in higher trims, ensuring safety in urban traffic. Variants. Available in multiple trims, base, analog dials, spoke wheels, mid, semi-digital, alloy wheels, and top, ABS, full LED, USB port. Fuel efficiency and mileage. The RX100 2025 is designed to offer a balance of performance and economy. Mileage. Real-world mileage is expected between 60 to 70 kilometers per liter, depending on riding conditions and throttle behavior. Fuel tank. With a fuel tank capacity of approximately 10 to 12 liters, the RX100 can deliver a range of 600 to 800 kilometers, making it a great choice for long-distance commuters.